Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your scholarship applications with Fastweb, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your scholarship applications with Fastweb, start by visiting the Fastweb website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill out your profile with accurate information about your academic background, interests, and achievements. Make sure to include your GPA, test scores, and extracurricular activities. Once your profile is complete, explore the scholarship search feature on the home page. Use filters to narrow down the scholarships that match your criteria. Read the descriptions carefully to identify scholarships that are a good fit for you. Take note of the application requirements for each scholarship you're interested in. Prioritize scholarships based on deadline dates and award amounts. Begin preparing your application materials for the selected scholarships. Gather necessary documents such as transcripts, recommendation letters, and personal statements. Tailor your personal statement to reflect why you are a strong candidate for each scholarship. Make sure to proofread all your application materials for errors and clarity. Submit your applications before the deadlines to ensure they are considered. Keep track of your submissions and note any follow-up actions or additional requirements. Regularly check your Fastweb account for updates on new scholarships that may become available. Utilize the resources and tips provided on the Fastweb site to enhance your application strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.